Hey everyone, it's Friday and it's time for another tutorial. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to do this really nice half up messy bun. So let's get straight into it. To start off, I'm just going to kind of brush out my hair with my fingers, and then after that I'm just going to take two sections of hair from both sides of my head and I'm going to tie it together in the middle with a clear elastic band. Now once I've got my hair in a ponytail, I'm just going to take that hair and I'm going to twist it around into a bun. Now you can tie the bun up with an elastic band, but today I'm actually just using bobby pins. So I'm just going to hold the bun in place by placing some bobby pins around the bun in different places. Okay, and now I'm just going to tug on some strands of hair at the top of my head. I just think that this gives the hairstyle more of a messier look and it actually looks nicer. And so that is it. So that's our messy bun. I think this is a really nice hairstyle. It's perfect for everyday wear, and especially those mornings when you haven't got a clue what to do with your hair but you want to do something different. This is a really good idea because again it only takes 2 minutes and it still looks really nice. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.